Add an extra layer of protection with a personalized touch. These custom face masks do a great job of covering your mouth and nose, and they can be customized with your own design on the entire front side with a vibrant and crisp print. You can apply anything from patterns, quotes, logos, or other creative designs on them. There are all sorts of options to choose from. The biggest difference is the style. For example, this fabric face mask offers a simple yet stylish design with adjustable nylon spandex ear loops so it can fit many sizes. Made out of 100% polyester, these are washer-friendly, durable, and maintain their shape for a long time. The Snug-Fit polyester face mask is made out of polyester but offers a cotton interior that is smooth and strong thanks to the specially spun fibers. The flat woven ear loops add comfort and are elastic for a snug fit. The cotton face mask is exactly as the name suggests. It's made out of 100% cotton and has an adjustable nose wire built in. This face mask also has a unique style with its trifold pleats, which is a fancy way of saying folds, so you can really stand out when adding this product to your store. If you're looking for something with more contrast, check out the mixed fabric face mask. It features a black outer edge and ear loops. This one is made out of polyester with a cotton interior and is ready for your most vibrant designs. Bringing even more options, the fitted polyester face mask adds detail with the shaped form for the nose and chin. This provides a snug fit and is sure to look good from any angle. Additionally, this face mask comes with a pocket for a filter, so that in the future, if your customers want to add a filter, they can. Please just keep in mind that these are not medical grade and not meant for medical use. Face masks are not only adding protection, but also becoming a fashion accessory. These face masks are one of the hottest selling items out there, so be sure to add them to your store today. Subscribe to Printify's channel to stay in the loop. And while you're at it, click on that bell icon so you're always the first to be notified when we release new content. Plus, click on these videos for more magnificent reviews.